Did you know that Tesla's running AI-based autopilot were involved in a staggering 273 crashes in 2022 alone? While all the crashes may not be attributed to misjudgment or failure of artificial intelligence, they surely raise eyebrows on the capabilities of AI and the concerns surrounding its widespread usage in the auto industry. Join us as we take a deeper look into the disadvantages, concerns, and potential risks surrounding the usage of AI in the auto industry. Hey, welcome back to Motor Minds, your ultimate destination for all things automotive and motorsports. The auto industry has seen rapid advancements in recent years, particularly when it comes to artificial intelligence. AI is now used in various aspects of the industry, ranging from design and manufacturing processes to autonomous driving and predictive maintenance. While the benefits of AI are numerous, it is crucial to address the potential downsides and risks associated with its widespread adoption. In this video, we will explore the bad side of AI in the auto industry, focusing on issues such as security, privacy, ethics, and the impact on employment. As we delve into these topics, we aim to provide a balanced perspective on AI's role in the automotive world and its challenges. We will also briefly discuss the various steps that can be taken to mitigate the risks. Now, before we begin, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well, so that you can continue watching such insightful videos from the automotive world right here on Motor Minds. Alright, now let's take a look at the 10 risks and concerns surrounding the usage of AI in the auto industry. Number 1. Ethical dilemmas in autonomous driving. Autonomous vehicles rely on AI algorithms to make complex decisions on the road. These decisions can involve ethical dilemmas, such as the classic trolley problem, where a vehicle must decide between two undesirable outcomes. For example, should an autonomous car prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians in a potential crash scenario? Addressing these ethical dilemmas requires collaboration among automakers, AI developers, regulators, and the public. Policymakers should develop guidelines and standards to ensure that AI systems adhere to a set of ethical principles, promoting transparency and accountability in their decision-making process. Number 2. Job displacement and workforce impact. The increasing use of AI and automation in the auto industry has raised concerns about job displacement and the impact on the workforce. Many traditional jobs, such as assembly line workers and drivers, are at risk of being replaced by automation, leading to unemployment and social disruption. In addition to the potential impact on the manufacturing industry, the integration of AI and 3D printing could also revolutionize the process of designing and creating car parts. With AI-powered software, designers can quickly and efficiently create digital models of car parts, which can then be printed with precision using 3D printers. This could reduce the need for traditional manufacturing processes and make it easier and cheaper to produce cars. However, this could also lead to job losses in the manufacturing sector. To address this issue, it is essential for companies, governments, and educational institutions to invest in reskilling and upskilling programs. These initiatives should help workers transition into new roles and adapt to the changing job market. Additionally, the industry must focus on creating new job opportunities in areas such as AI development, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Number 3. Cybersecurity risks. AI-powered systems and vehicles are becoming increasingly connected to the internet, which introduces potential cybersecurity risks. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in these systems, potentially leading to loss of control over the vehicle, theft of sensitive information, or even causing accidents. The lack of standardized security protocols across manufacturers further exacerbates this issue. To address these risks, automakers and suppliers must invest in robust cybersecurity measures and collaborate on the development of industry-wide standards. Additionally, they should consider incorporating ethical hacking and vulnerability assessments into their development process to identify and fix security flaws before their vehicles hit the market. Number 4. Data privacy concerns. Connected vehicles collect vast amounts of data, including personal information, driving habits, and location details. This raises concerns about data privacy, as there is potential for misuse or unauthorized access to sensitive information. For instance, data could be sold to third parties for targeted advertising, or even used by law enforcement agencies without a warrant. To mitigate these concerns, car manufacturers must establish clear data privacy policies and adhere to regulations such as the GDPR. Additionally, they should provide transparency on the data collected, its usage, and offer consumers control over their personal information, including options to delete or restrict access to it. Number 5. AI bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the training data is biased, the AI system may make biased decisions or perpetuate discrimination. For instance, facial recognition systems used in vehicles may have difficulty recognizing people of certain ethnicities, potentially leading to unequal treatment. It is crucial for automakers and AI developers to use diverse and representative datasets for training their algorithms. Moreover, they should conduct regular audits and incorporate fairness metrics to ensure that their AI systems treat all users equitably. Number 6. Overreliance on AI systems. As AI becomes more integrated into vehicles, there is a risk of drivers becoming overly reliant on these systems. This over-reliance can lead to complacency, reduced situational awareness, and an increased likelihood of accidents. For instance, a driver may assume the vehicle's autonomous features will react to an obstacle, leading to a delay in their own response. To mitigate this issue, public education campaigns and driver training programs should be launched, emphasizing the importance of remaining engaged and vigilant, even when using AI-assisted features. Number 7. Legal and regulatory challenges. The rapid adoption of AI in the auto industry presents legal and regulatory challenges. For instance, in the case of an accident involving an autonomous vehicle, it can be difficult to determine liability. Current legal frameworks may not be equipped to handle these complex scenarios, which could lead to confusion and lengthy litigation. Governments and regulators must work closely with the auto industry to develop clear guidelines and regulations that address the unique challenges posed by AI. This includes updating liability laws, insurance frameworks, and safety standards to accommodate autonomous vehicles and other AI-driven technologies. Number 8. Environmental impact. While AI has the potential to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, it can also have negative environmental impacts. For example, the energy-intensive process of training AI models can contribute to increased carbon emissions. Additionally, the demand for materials used in AI hardware, such as rare earth metals, may lead to sustainable mining practices and ecological damage. To address these concerns, the auto industry must prioritize sustainable AI development practices, such as using energy-efficient algorithms and embracing renewable energy sources. Moreover, automakers should invest in recycling programs and seek alternative materials to minimize the environmental footprints of AI technologies. Number 9. Accessibility and affordability. Advanced AI features often come with a high price tag, making them inaccessible to many consumers. This can lead to a digital divide, where only the wealthy can afford vehicles with cutting-edge AI technology, while others are left behind with outdated, less safe vehicles. To promote equitable access to AI innovations, the auto industry should work towards making these technologies more affordable and available to a wider audience. This can be achieved through research and development focused on cost reduction, government incentives, and collaborations with other industries to drive down costs. Number 10. Public trust and acceptance. Public trust and acceptance of AI in the auto industry are essential for its success. However, high-profile accidents and concerns about safety, privacy, and ethics can undermine this trust. A lack of understanding of AI technology can further contribute to public skepticism. To build public trust, automakers must prioritize transparency, communication, and education. This includes openly sharing information about AI systems, their capabilities, limitations, and safety features. Moreover, collaboration with governments, regulators, and the public will ensure that AI technologies are developed and implemented in a manner that represents societal values and concerns. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize the auto industry and bring about many benefits, it is essential to address the challenges and risks associated with its implementation. By understanding and tackling these issues, we can work towards a safer, more equitable, and sustainable future for the automotive world. If you found this video interesting, Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. To stay updated on the latest developments in the auto industry, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video right here on Motor Minds.